Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to learn about verse number 5 of Surah Ash-Shams. So starting from Waw. Waw will join with Seen because Sheen has Shadda over there. So Waw Seen Fatha will be Was, and Seen with Fatha, so it will be Wassa. And now there is Meme. Meme has Mad over there. So you know that this mad will be elongated equals to 5 harakat, so it will be wassama wassama. The next is hamza with kasra, so it will be wassamai. Now the next one is waw fatha and Meme fatha. Meme has alif, so it will be elongated 2 harakat. Wama, wama. Now the next is Banāhā. There are different ways, like the one is Indo-Pak, like the scripts. There are different type of scripts in Quran, the form of writing. I will explain this in the couple of next videos. For now, the above one is Arabic or Arabic style, and then the second one is Urdu script. It is written in Urdu script, so you can follow what you want. So if we read them, it will be Bana, Ba with Fatha and Noon with standing Fatha, so it will be elongated. Bana. And Ha is again elongated, so it will be Banāhā. Say Banāhā. Now if we join the whole verse, it will be وَالسَّمَاءِ وَمَا بَنَاهَا. Read again with me. وَالسَّمَاءِ وَمَا بَنَاهَا. Now read 3 to 4 times until you learn that. If you don't, you can again rewatch the video. So if you learn anything, subscribe.